TV. And today is day 5 of India Couture Week.
I cannot deny to give it one last try.
Well, अदिति, आज क्या खास बात है? सबसे बड़ी बात तो ये है कि आज एक नहीं बल्कि दो डिजाइनर्स के शो हैं।
Every step we took, gone back to our roots.
आज पहले है ऋतु कुमार और उसके बाद है शांतनु निखिल।
In this moment, there's nothing left to lose.
लेकिन सबसे बड़ी बात ये है कि ऋतु कुमार के शो में जो शो स्टॉपर रहने वाली हैं वो है भूमि पेडनेकर। और शांतनु निखिल में भले ही शो स्टॉपर नहीं हो, लेकिन सारे बॉलीवुड सेलिब्रिटीज आने वाले हैं और आपको सरप्राइज देने वाले हैं। यस, हम तो उसके लिए काफी एक्साइटेड हैं। चलिए आपको भी दिखाते हैं।
It's my first ICW, so I'm really excited.
Did you attend other designers' show as well?
Yes, I've attended everyone. As mentioned, I am a fashion enthusiast, so
Was there any designer whose collection you love the most till date?
obviously there is Manish Malhotra, but I would also have to say Suneet Verma's collection was quite amazing and quite extraordinary. Yeah.
Tell us about yourself as you are a fashion enthusiast. What is fashion for you? And please break out your outfit first.
Oh wow, okay. To be very honest, everything is from my mom's cupboard. I think she does a very wonderful job in dressing me, and it's something she's been doing to me as a kid. So for me, fashion is a very personal ritual. It's a very intimate ritual of self-expression. So yeah, that's what fashion has always meant to me, and it's really nice to see these designers put out their intimate expressions of fashion.
So Ritu Kumar's show is just about to begin, and we have Sana with us. Sana, how are you feeling? How excited are you for the show?
I am super excited. I started getting ready 2 hours in advance because I was super excited. Got so many pictures. I'm wearing this lovely Ritu Kumar set. I have been a fan of Ritu Kumar ever since I was a kid because my mom used to wear all these Ritu Kumar suits, classic ones. And so I get to wear this now. That's a full circle moment. So super excited for this show.
Do you have any guesses what she might bring out on the runway today?
I don't know. I'm really hopeful because last time I went to her store was for my reception sari and I saw a lot of reds. So I really hope reds come back because I'm really excited for those.
तो मेरे साथ इस वक्त मौजूद है OG बॉलीवुड वाइब्स शालिनी पासी। शालिनी, कैसा लगा ऋतु कुमार का शो?
बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल, एलिगेंट एंड क्राफ्टमैनशिप, बिल्कुल जैसे कहते हैं सबसे बेहतरीन क्राफ्टमैनशिप जो ऋतु कुमार जी फेमस हैं अपने काम के लिए। कट्स एंड ऑल्सो अभी कितना रेलेवेंट हो गया है, बिकॉज अगर आप देखेंगे तो क्राफ्ट इज़ डाइंग। और यहाँ पे जो एम्ब्रॉयडरीज एंड द काइंड ऑफ वर्क, टेक्सचर्स, it's the heart and soul of India.
Ma'am, we know you have a great fashion sense. Please tell us about your outfit, what you're wearing.
So I'm wearing, this was actually on the show as well, the piece. And Rituji specially pulled this out for me. And it's a two-tone and it's beautifully in silk and embroidered. And I am so, I love Rituji's work, and I think she's such an inspiration to so many individuals who are creative and also designers and in the industry. And she's today the senior most designer. So.
Ma'am, we saw you on Bollywood Vibes. Can I ask you one question? Which one of them was the toughest to gel with, if you may?
I think I was the toughest to gel with, honestly. So.
But do you think there's a fashion divide between Delhi and Mumbai?
I think Delhi is more fashionable. We are not so much on Instagram or on media, and also we dress mostly for private functions. So everything is not put out. Bombay is all about styling, sourcing. Delhi, we tend to wear our personal jewelry, clothes from our mom, and things that have been passed down to us as well. And Bombay, it's very different. You can't tell because everybody's styled, so you can't really tell about the person's personal taste.
ऋतु कुमार का शो हमने आपको दिखा ही दिया। आई होप उनकी कलेक्शन आपको काफी ज्यादा पसंद आई हो। ऋतु के शो में जो भूमि पेडनेकर शो स्टॉपर बनी थी, अब उनसे ही जान लेते हैं व्हाट फैशन इज ऑल अबाउट।
You know, I've done this a couple of times before, but this time was truly very special because I adore her. I adore everything that you have created with Ritu Kumar. And as Amrish rightly said, it's taken them 2 years to bring this together because you can see the hard work, the passion, just the vision. And that's something that I wanted to celebrate today on stage, and I can proudly say that the show was so beautiful. Ritu Kumar resonates with India, with the karigari, with our textile, with every aspect of the brand celebrates our country, and I'm really honored that I could walk for them today. My aesthetic is exactly what I'm wearing today. It's beautiful, it's rich, it's comfortable, and it's just timeless. I think that's pretty much what my aesthetic is. The way I have evolved over years with my journey, and my relationship with fashion is something that's very special to me. It's my form of self-expression in every way possible. My choices give me a lot of strength and a lot of courage. They make me feel very brave, because in many ways I get an opportunity to question the status quo through my fashion choices. And that's why I think one of the biggest reasons that I resonate with the brand so much is exactly this. I think they have, through the years, truly challenged every norm around fashion, every norm around what a silhouette should be like.
गागा अबाउट द शो, बट अब जान लेते हैं ऋतु कुमार द डिजाइनर हरसेल्फ की उनकी इस शो पर जो एक्सपर्टीज है और उनको सबसे ज्यादा शो में क्या खास लगा। चलिए।
Well, I think not only the show, but the fact that today the couture in India is really celebrated its craftsmanship. And from being absolutely a non-entity 60 years back, we are today a real strong contender for the world of fashion and its crafts, which in most other countries have been delegated to a museum. Here we are celebrating a living craftsmanship with a show like this. I think I will leave part of that question to Amrish. But seriously, I think Indian textiles have never been bracketed into just bridal. We are a country which has clothed the world with any manner of different variety of clothes. And part of the reason is that we must contemporize it for tomorrow's world, today's world, and doesn't need to be only bridal. Bridal, of course, is a large part of it, but it's not the only part of it. And a lot of this credit, I think, goes to a younger look at the line, which I leave Amrish to tell you.
So we have fashion influencer Ishita Mangan with us. Ishita, first of all, tell us, what are you wearing?
I am wearing a Ritu Kumar sari, which I'm a big fan of because I love traditional textiles, and we've taken the palla in a different way. Not just that, I'm wearing a Ritu Kumar bandana with it. I feel like bandanas are a very highly underrated accessory, and I'm having a bad hair day, but you cannot tell because I've covered it up with a bandana, so that's a great hack. We're wearing a lot of traditional jewelry, and we're carrying this little mini bag that can only contain my self-respect.
रितु कुमार के बाद अब बात करते हैं उनके बेटे से, हु इज गोइंग टू कंटिन्यू द लेगेसी, और जिन्होंने पूरी थीम के बारे में एक्सप्लेन किया है. Hello sir, first of all the collection was so good, the show was so amazing and I enjoyed it a lot. First tell me what was the inspiration behind it?
I think the inspiration is manifold. It's primarily to pay homage to our crafts. It's to go deep in the research that my mother started and what the brand is based on. So the inspiration comes from many places, but primarily it's about the evolution of the Indian aesthetic and our craft.
Yeah, and also as Bhumi Pednekar was a showstopper, do you have anything to say about her?
Well, she's wonderful. I mean, she has a very rooted aesthetic and a very warm personality, and I think she was a good fit for what we were trying to do.
Every step we took, gone back to our roots.
Now let's talk about the second show, Shantanu and Nikhil. जी हाँ, शांतनु और निखिल का भी एक बार शो हम देखेंगे.
Hi guys, I am Leena Bhushan, and as always Shantanu Nikhil is my absolute favorite. This is probably the fifth time I'm attending the show, and I'm expecting the silhouette that they usually make. They make a lot of golds and blacks, and I think this time cherry is going to be really prominent on the ramp.
So you think that cherry is going to be there?
That is the color of the season, darling.
And ma'am, since you are the OG, MUA they call, what is makeup for you, what is beauty for you, and what is fashion for you?
I think, honey, 2025 is going to be very, very natural. It's going to be more glowy. We are walking out of the thick liners. We are entering into the, nice thin liners. It is the season of the natural and the glowy makeup.
Excited to watch Shantanu Nikhil. I think Arjun Rampal is walking the ramp today, and always excited to be at the Hyundai India Couture Week. Shantanu and Nikhil, it's a very young vibe, very fun, very comfortable to wear. I've worn their designs before, and I think it's going to be an exciting show.
Now I have a gorgeous lady standing beside me. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
Yeah.
How was the show?
It was fabulous. I loved it. It was something very new. I loved the style of the pants with sequin and the ruffles, so very interesting and nice.
Okay, what was your favorite part?
I think the favorite part was, seeing such a fresh collection, because Shantanu Nikhil is one of my favorite designers, and I always look up to what he's coming up with next. So it was really nice experiencing this.
The collection looked like it is specially for men. Do you feel like it?
No, I think it had a lot of power, shoulders, like suits and everything. It was for women as well, and I loved what women were wearing. The shoulder padded jackets and the ruffled shirts. They were fabulous. Yeah.
Please describe your look as well.
I'm also wearing Shantanu and Nikhil, and I love what I'm wearing. It's a lace corset, a blouse with a draped skirt. I think they are, they're amazing in these skirts, and I've worn their outfits so many times, and every time I wear them, I feel so good about it.
social media influencer Lavanya with us. Lavanya, you just saw the show, Shantanu Nikhil's collection. How was it? How would you describe it?
It was amazing. I think even the women's wear was very menswear inspired, which is what I'm also wearing. I'm wearing my dad's jacket by Shantanu and Nikhil. So I love the vibe.
And how would you describe their work in one word?
Spectacular.
And is there any designer which is your favorite and you would want him to design a dress for you?
I think, of course, Shantanu Nikhil and Sabyasachi.
शांतनु और निखिल के कलेक्शन भी हमने देख लिया है और शांतनु और निखिल के कलेक्शन में सिर्फ वेडिंग कुट्योर पर फोकस नहीं किया था बल्कि एवरीडे एसेंशियल्स और मेंस फैशन पर भी पूरा फोकस रखा था। तो चलिए अब जान लेते हैं शांतनु और निखिल से ही कि उनके शो का हाईलाइट क्या था।
You know, for Couture Week, storytelling is incredibly important for us, and this time it was called Metropolis. It was not about the clothes, it was not about a season or the bridal couture that India is known for. It was about people, it was about different, beautiful people coming together under one roof. Did not matter where they're from. And of course, it was mainly menswear, sartorial style, but understated. We are moving away from that extra that you see every time and moving in towards more sartorial, quiet luxury.
Culture that we are very fast and furiously embracing, and that is one of not looking at occasions but looking at a community that understands a sense of unshackling traditionalism, looking at soft rebellion, looking at things that can be worn differently. You know, the trend normally in a bridal couture format is always, you know, the lehengas will be the categories, the sherwanis will be the categories. How can you twist it and make it more desirable, more edgy? I think that's the trend, the mindset shift of moving away from bridal couture to occasion couture, where you have an opportunity to have many facets as an individual. You could be the groom, you could be the bride, you could be the attendee, you could be the one hosting a party, you could be the one traveling. The inspiration for us is to define the Shantanu Nikhil man and the Shantanu Nikhil woman in our couture understanding, not the Shantanu Nikhil groom or not the Shantanu Nikhil bride. That's the inspiration.
Often forget the man behind the clothes, so our idea this season was to focus on the man, and he's able to mix and match pieces from his existing wardrobe, buy a short bangala, mix it with a shirt that he may have bought in Rome, and giving him a chance to really enjoy himself. I think that's really the trend.
मुझे तो काफी पसंद आया। आई होप हमारे व्यूअर्स को भी शो काफी ज्यादा पसंद आया हो।
एंड व्यूअर्स को ये भी बता दें कि अभी बस डे 5 खत्म हुआ है, बाकी और भी दिन बचे हैं जिसमें बहुत सारे डिजाइनर्स अपना कलेक्शन लेकर आने वाले हैं।
So stay tuned with India TV.